Gmail sign in. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So basically one Gmail account is already in your device while you have set up your device. But if you want to add other Gmail account, what you have to do is open your Gmail, then tap on your profile icon, then tap on another account, then tap on Google. Then you have to verify your identity by providing your PIN or your fingerprint. Then after this an interface will appear where you can log into your account, prevailing account, or create a new Gmail account. So simply follow few steps that is asked by this app and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.